Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a Nutella cheesecake, which is perfect for this Valentine's Day. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to combine the unflavored gelatin with a quarter of a cup of water. We're going to mix it well until combined and then set it aside for 10 minutes. Now, in an electric mixer, we're going to combine the cream cheese with the Nutella on medium-high speed until well combined. It will take about 2 minutes. Feel free to stop the blender and scrape down the size of the bowl if you need to. And then after 2 minutes, once the Nutella is well combined with the cream cheese, now reduce the speed, and then we will also add in the cocoa powder and the powdered sugar. Continue to mix this on medium-high speed until everything is well incorporated. It will take another 2 minutes or so. Then reduce the speed, and then again, feel free to scrape down the size of the bowl if you need to. And this is how the gelatin mixture looks like after 10 minutes. Now we're going to microwave it for about 20 seconds. And this is how it looks after 20 seconds in the microwave. Now we're going to pour it into the cream cheese mixture and continue to mix this on high speed for 1 more minute. After a minute, the mixture is ready. This is how it looks. Now we're going to transfer it to another bowl and we're going to set it aside. Now with an electric mixer on high speed, we're going to mix the heavy whipping cream for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the cream is thick and fluffy. And after 5 minutes or so, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's very thick and rich and fluffy. Now it's ready. Now we're going to combine half of the whipping cream with the cream cheese mixture. Just mix it slowly with a spatula with circular motions. And just mix it until combined. Do not overmix it. And then once everything is ready, now we're going to add in the rest of the whipping cream. Continue to slowly mix it until everything is well incorporated. Do not overmix it. You just want to combine everything very slowly. And once everything is ready, now the cream cheese mixture is ready. Now we can pour it into our prepared pan. Here I have the pan. Just fill it with the cheesecake mixture. Make sure the surface is nice and flat. Just make it as even as you can. And the mixture is enough to make 2 cheesecakes, 9 ounces each. After you fill up the pan, now refrigerate them for at least 4 hours before decorating them or serving them. For decorating, I'm using a quarter of a cup of heavy cream plus half a cup of Nutella. We'll combine this and heat it up in the microwave for 1 minute. I'm also using heart-shaped marshmallows and some other Valentine's marshmallows. And this is how the pies look like after they have been refrigerated for 4 hours. Now we're going to decorate them. Here I have the Nutella and the heavy cream mixture. Like I told you, I heat it up in the microwave for 1 minute, and now I'm just going to combine it until well combined, and then I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit for about 2 minutes or so. Now we're going to pour about 3/4 of the mixture on the surface of the cheesecake. Try to evenly cover the surface of the pie. Then once it's ready, place it back in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. And for the second pie, I'm going to pour the leftover Nutella mixture into a plastic bag. Then I'm going to cut the tip of the bag and decorate the surface of the pie with a zigzag motion. Do it horizontally and vertically. And then you can sprinkle it with a little bit of chopped pecans. And remember, you can decorate them any way that you want. I'm going to place a little bit of whipped cream all around the pie. And then right on the center of the pie, I'm going to place 2 marshmallows. They are in the shape of 2 little bears. And then I will also add a heart-shaped marshmallow right in between the 2 little bears. And then I will also add some heart-shaped marshmallows all around the pie. And then the other pie, I'll just decorate it with some whipped cream all around the edges as well. And then on the center I will also place a heart-shaped marshmallow together with a lip-shaped marshmallow. And then I'm going to add some heart-shaped marshmallows all around. And that's about it. Remember, you can decorate this any way that you want, even without the decoration. The pie is so delicious, I really recommend it. I hope you like it. Enjoy, and happy Valentine's! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and everywhere. So all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!